Hello students, today we will learn how to maintain an editorial calendar. If there is one part of the writing process that seems obvious for a spreadsheet, it's the editorial calendar. With dates, word counts, topics, status and budget to manage, a spreadsheet's unlimited columns and numeric tools seem perfect. Just take a bit of time to add columns for everything you want to track. Something that will be a bit different for every blog, newsletter or online publisher. What you see is we have just included the date column in this data, the date which the article is published. We added one more column here that is of month. It's the March, it's the April months. So we have sorted our data according to the month. The March entries are at one stage and the April entries are at the second one. So it will be very easier for you to take out the sum of only March entries and to take out the sum of only April entries. You can also highlight your data by using the conditional formatting. If you want to do or customize the formatting of particular cells, then you can use this formatting by using conditional formatting. So by this you can see that we are having different formatting for different months, for the different dates. You can also see in this way you can have the instant look upon different data that is managed by the different pattern you're seeing. Done. Now it is obvious that the March entries are separate, it's totally separate, and the April entries are separate. This is the way how we use editorial calendar. And what is it used to be used? It is used to make your entries very easy to read. Thank you. The other thing that we have to do is how to track the published items. You are seeing that this article is published, this article is published. We can track the published item by the Zapier integration. There you create new WordPress post. There WordPress post to a Google Sheet spread. It is a Zapier. By clicking on the particular app, you can find the combination of these apps. You can also use the Trello cards to Google Spreadsheets to save new post or to move the post. That is Trello. This one app is used in the Google Sheets. You can also create Google Calendar events. You're having the calendar here. This one, Google Calendar. You can add new events from new Google Sheets. You can also turn Google Sheets rows into to-do list task. You can also turn Google Sheets spreadsheet rows into Wunderlist task. So there are so many apps by which you can create the calendar events, as well as you can manage your data according to dates and according to months.